band director submitted an application to the inaugural parade committee, and it included things like the band's history and things that like people we performed for before. And this is our fourth inauguration, so we aren't new to it. And we talked about how we raised money to get new uniforms by winning contests, and we had letters of support from other government officials, so that really helped us get chosen. Favorite part is definitely performing right in front of the review stand where President Obama was and the first family and all the very important people were there. And I got to be on TV, so I think that was pretty cool too. There are pros and cons like for everything, but the pros definitely outweighed the cons. There was a lot of waiting and security was tight, but at the end it was all worth it to be able to march down Pennsylvania Avenue and have all these people cheering for you and knowing what group you represent. This is definitely a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I will not forget it.